How to manage optional diagnostic data on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage optional diagnostic data on Skype mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Skype and click on your profile here and then click settings, and now click this one here, privacy, and now go down and click this one, optional diagnostic data. Click here, and as you see, just click to disable it, and if you want to enable it again, just click here. And as you see, that's how manage optional diagnostic data on Skype mobile. Just click, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.